yo, it's the Gemini Trader. Charts go up, charts go
Hello traders, this is Zane from the Gemini Trader. It is time to mark our weekly chart for the coming week. As you know, the last week was one hell of a week after Israel attacked Iran and then Iran attacked back into Israel. The market moved like crazy. So we are looking for a really volatile week and we better be careful and use this opportunity. So as always, I'm going to start off by marking our weekly chart with the all-time highs at 3,500. And I personally believe that this week we're going to test this level. Now, secondly, I'm going to mark my support zones, support and resistance zone. I'm going to mark two supports or two support, one here and the other one is here. And also I'm going to mark my weekly resistance zone at this level 35352 As we move down to the daily time frame, we have a very beautiful structure forming up coming up. We have a resistance and this candle broke the resistance, and that means we are looking to go for a wick fill, and also not just a wick fill, we are also looking to test the all-time highs. Also, I'm going to mark my support zone at 3287 and 3288, and also our support zone at 33120 and 19. I'm going to just leave it at 3320, and also I'm going to adjust the support level to 3177. Now, as we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we have um, we have a really clean structure. As you know, we ended the week with the support, which means that tomorrow when the market opens during the Asian session, we are looking for with a bullish cap. That's what I'm actually looking for. However, as you know, I don't trade during Asian sessions. I just stick with London or perhaps New York, but mainly London. Okay, so I'm going to mark this zone. This is my favorite zone because of the fact that we grabbed the liquidity and respected this zone at 3365. And also we have a really clean zone at 3382. And I have a really clean support at 3297 and 997. Yeah, 1 second here, 97. And then we have another support. I'm going to use this one, 3372. Now as we go down, this will be my no trade range, I'm going to have to say, because of the fact we do not have enough range in this volatile market. So the price may come down to grab the liquidity and then go all the way back up. So I will try to stay away from this zone. However, I'm going to mark one final zone in this area, and that will be, yeah, that one, 3437 and 38. Now, as we go down to the 2-hour time frame, I'm going to adjust this support at 3415 and this 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 5, and 2, 6. I'm going to leave this one here. I'm going to adjust this zone, this support back to 3348. Yeah, that this is again the zone. I don't think I'll look for trade other than only this one way. I may take a trade and I will share the scenario just in a bit. Now, as we go down to the 1-hour time frame, this is things get really interesting, and that's why I'm really looking. My bias is bullish, and I'm really looking to go for longs in the coming week because of the war, baby. This war is gonna make us really good money. That's all I can say for now. Now, as we go back to when we made the all-time highs, we have a couple of resistance zones here with the clean ranges. One is this, the other is this, and then one final one. This one is at 3459 and 60 roughly, depending on your broker. The last one that you'll go for is 3489. Okay, now we go down to 30 minutes. And as we go down to 30 minutes, we have something so juicy and clear. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm just going to adjust that support down to 3422, and I'm going to add one more support here and another one here. Now let's just talk about this. Will be my no trade zone, by the way. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a bullish, the market to open with a bullish gap. Give me a support, and then this will be my first TP and second TP. These will be our wicks and back to the all-time highs. Um, sorry, yeah, over here. This is all clean range. Remember, with the market close above this level, wait for the support and then go for buys. All right, and with the SL with the at the previous candles low. For the sells, I think sells, even though my bias is bullish, but for sells, there's a way the sell will give you an A plus setup. And let me just tell you that right now. So what you're looking for is the market to open with either bullish or bearish gap. Let's suppose it's a bearish gap. Make us a support and then break the support. Because you see you have this clean range, clean freaking candles. Just aim for those candles and you'll make money. Aim for like 20, 50, 80, 100 pips and you will easily score big. So that would be my trading plan for sales. I'm looking for the support to be broken before taking the trade on sales. So that's pretty much it. We are living in time of wars. Indices gonna bleed. They're gonna bleed big. So be really careful if you are trading on US 30 or NAS 100. And for commodities, set your buys. My personal suggestion is set your buys to buys. Go for buys, and if you're looking for sells, do not hold your position for too long. But having said that, if we have a ceasefire coming up, then we are looking for a major dump. So yeah, keep that perspective in mind and trade responsibly. And if you find value in my content, please share, subscribe, and like this video. Share with your friends who are struggling in the trading journey. Leave me comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye now.
Yeah, it's subscribe now, don't be late. Gemini Trader dropping knowledge straight.